Mark here with DIY-Wise, measuring the window and getting the right size ordered. First thing we're going to do is remove this trim. This is a flashing here and there's probably wood behind it. Alright, so now we're going to measure for the new window. Okay, so first I got a square here. I just want to put this up here, make sure nothing's too crazy out of square. Put that up against the brick. You're going to have to count for a little bit of extra if it's out like crazy. Seems pretty good. It's out a little bit, but it's a brick install, so we'll leave enough to cover for that. Out a little bit there. That looks pretty good. It's up on the brick lintel. It's out a little bit there, but we'll account for that in the measurements. You're going to want to grab a measurement from the bottom there, right where the window is going to sit. And it's close to 40 inches. You want to go ahead and mark that measurement down. Do one in the middle, close to 40. And do one at the top, close to 40. Just make sure when you make your measurements, if there's a brick that's protruding out further, you want to make sure you get the smallest spot. So if you need to check in some other areas just to be sure there's nothing crazy, you can check it. So you take those three measurements, the top, middle, bottom, whichever one is the smallest, jot that one down. Now we're going to do the same on top to bottom. You're 50 inches on the left. About 49 3/4 in the middle. $49.5. Well, let's check that again. It depends on where I'm measuring. Yeah, 49.5. 49 5/8. So what you want to make sure, I have a brick install. This brick is sloped away like it's supposed to be, so the water will run away from the house and won't go into the interior. You want to make sure you measure the highest spot, which is back here on some of these bricks that are sticking out a little bit. I want to be perfect, so I don't want any mistakes. I got a bricklayer's tape measure. This is what I'm going to actually make the true measurements with. So we saw the inside was about 40 inches. I'm going to go ahead, check this right now, and I'm going to jot all three of these measurements down. That is actually right at 40 inches. Check the middle. That is also right at 40 inches. Make sure you're not on any old caulking. Get a true measurement from brick to brick. This right here, there's some holes in the brick, but it's about 40 1/4. Move it to a different spot. There, it's about 40 1/16. So the smallest measurement is 40 inch. Go ahead and jot that down. And we're going to go top to bottom on the highest spot here. $49 3/4. Let's check the middle. 49 5/8. Let's check the side. 49 5/8 again. So we're going to go with 49 5/8. Jot that down. Alright, so these measurements we just took here, those are rough opening sizes. Every window manufacturer, and some people are going to tell you to do different things. This particular manufacturer, I'm getting all side mezzo windows. They tell you to take 3/8 inch off your width and 1/4 inch off your height for your actual exact measurement window size. We have our three width measurements, 40 1/8, 40 inch, and 40 inch. So the width, rough openings, 40 inch. Take 3/8 inch, according to the manufacturer of the windows, off of that measurement, and your window size will be 39 5/8. On your height, we have three measurements of 49 3/4, 49 5/8, 49 5/8. Take 1/4 inch off your smallest measurement, which is 49 5/8, and you get 49 3/8. So we're going to have a final exact window measurement of 39 5/8 by 49 3/8 inch high. All right, so next we're going to want to take these same measurements on the inside. There's trim around this window, so you're going to want to do it where the trim is not there. We're at 39 7/8, 39 3/4, 39 3/4. All right, like I said, I'd like to be perfect on it, so I get my bricklayer's tape measure out, ruler. 39 3/4, 39 3/4, 39 7/8. So we're going to go off the 39 3/4. All right, now we're going to check the height. 48.5. 48.5. So 48.5 top to bottom. Okay, so we got our final measurements here. The exact window size is 39 5/8 wide by 49 3/8 high. That's the window size we're going to order. The 39 5/8 is smaller than the 39 3/4 on the inside, and the 49 3/8 is higher than the 48.5 because they didn't have the window up high enough on the top on the outside. I just want to show you guys the reason the new window is going to be higher is because of this gap up top that they left. This plaster drywall right here, we're going to cut that out and it's going to fit up higher. This is Mark with DIY Wise. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.